That's it. Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor. Mr. Floor cleaning products are all non-toxic and environmentally safe, and you can learn more at MrFloor.com. Right into the Clutter Clarity.
Okay, but after Walt, can we dance?
If you want to, we can dance anytime you want.
Thank you. Okay, so I went to a thing on downsizing, and there were a couple things that stuck with me. And one is something that I talked about, which is consider your new lifestyle. Mm-hmm. So when you're downsizing, are you going to entertain as much? Are you going to have, 22 people over for dinner? Are you going to be working? So do you really need 10 suits and 10 pairs of black pants and 10 pairs of dress shoes?
A dog, cats.
So whatever you're doing when you are thinking of downsizing is not only think about the space, but think about how you're going to live your life. Are you going to be gardeners? Do you want to have a big plot of land? Can you do a container garden? What are the things that you love? And I'm trying to go over this quickly, but basically sit and think about it.
How much yard work do you want to do?
Right. And like you were talking very good about the tip of the week, which is Rich is gone. Yeah. The tip of the week, installing grab bars and things like that. So, are you going to stay in your new place for a long amount of time? Maybe that's something to consider, or consider a place if you're going to a condo or a 3-story building. Does it have an elevator? Things that you're going to need. And my favorite thing is, do you need 22 mismatched coffee mugs? No, you don't.
Yes, you do, because this one my daughter gave me, this one my nephew gave me, this one.
I know, that's the problem.
I give you permission to let go.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, because you don't want to pack 22 coffee mugs and then unpack 22 coffee mugs and go, wow, I just downsized into a small little condo with no space. What am I going to do with these 22 coffee mugs? Oh, I guess I'll get rid of them now. No, you get rid of them beforehand. And it's the same with your 3 sets of china. Your good china, your everyday china.
My great-grandmother gave me that china.
Pass it along. How often do you use that china that your great-grandmother gave you?
Never. Are you interested in a full set of Royal Dalton china?
Nobody is. I am so sorry. Nobody is. On eBay, not too many people are interested because people don't use it. They don't use it.
Yeah, but it was from my great-grandmother.
That's right.
Save one piece.
Throw that away.
Save
what
one little.
What am I going to do with one piece?
You don't do anything with the whole set. So now you don't do anything with one piece. Your one piece is your candy dish.
Yeah, but I can do something with the whole piece. I can't do anything with one.
With one, you use it as a candy dish when company comes over. With the whole set, you don't do anything anyway.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return.